In this module, we will talk about math class and its method. So what math class is? You can see on the screen, the class math contains methods for performing basic numeric operations such as the elementary exponential, logarithm, square root, and trigonometric functions. It is available in java.lang package. Please do remember that the lang package is the default package in Java. So the methods what we will discuss in this module are ABS, CBRT and Sqrt. So please see what is written here in the table given below. Return type is double and what the method name is ABS and one parameter or argument that is double A. What this method does? Returns absolute value of a double value or a number passed as argument. So whatever you will pass inside the bracket, its absolute value will be returned by the method ABS. Now what absolute value means that if you will enter a negative value, the result will be a positive value. If you will enter a positive value, the result will still be the positive value. It means that it will not give you the sign, it will give you the magnitude part only, that is the exact value rather than the positive or negative signs which is added before the number which is passed as an argument. Now I am going to show this with the program. Okay, so I am writing here. See, I have a class EX, public static void main string as is, and here I am writing a small code so that it is clear to you that what this method will give. So I am writing system.out.println and here I am writing math.abs. In bracket, if I will write 10.2. So we'll see what the result will be. One more, system.out.println. One more value I am typing here is minus 10. Okay, sorry, math.abs minus 10. And one more I want to see is system.out.println. Why I am showing this? Because a student asked me that what will happen if it will be 0 inside the ABS. So here is the answer for you, whoever asked this question. So what I have done, but use those method ABS with the 3 different values. So I am going to write java c space ex.java. That is, I am compiling the program. Successfully compiled, and now I am writing java space ex. Please see the result. The first value what I typed was in double value, that is point value. So it has given 10.2 as it is. The other minus 10 has given us 10 in place of minus, it is only the value. Whereas the 0 will return only 0. So this is the first method, that is ABS, will give us the absolute value. And for 0, if you will enter 0, the result will still remain 0, not positive or negative. Okay. Now the next method what we have is the Sqrt method. What Sqrt method? Please read this document. Double. So the return type is double. Sqrt the method name and one parameter, that is double A. Returns the correctly rounded positive square root of a double value. Okay. So it will give us a double value in return and it will return us the square root of a number which will be passed inside the argument or as a parameter. So what I am going to do, again I am going to change these methods from ABS to Sqrt and I am writing here 100. Okay. One more, here also I am writing Sqrt minus 100 and only 2. Okay. Then after I will show you one more thing, what a student was asking to me about integer conversion. Okay. So let us compile and execute. See the output 10.0. 10.0 why? Because 100 we passed a number and the result is 10 but not 10, 10.0. And what about Sqrt minus 100? We got NaN. Okay, that is NaN. It means that it is not applicable, okay, or not defined in Java. So it is giving us NaN as a result because we cannot get the square root of the negative number. One debatable question during the live class was that if I want to store the result, so can I convert the result into integer like math.sqrt and here I am writing 100. So is it directly possible to store like this? As I said, we need to do the type conversion. Okay, so I will show you the type conversion, but before that let me explain this. Okay, so let us see what the output is. See what we got. We got an error. Possible loss of precision. And here it is giving required int found double. Okay. So why it is? Because you are returning a math value which is a double type value and you are storing it into int. So it should return a int value. That is why it is written required int. But what this method will return? A double value. So how the type conversion means? Here before the method I need to write inside the bracket in the data type in which I want to convert it. So I want to convert this method into integer data type. So I have to write int inside the bracket as explicit type conversion. What I am doing here, I am writing as a comment also explicit type conversion. Okay. So I am going to save this. Now let us see. Oh, sorry. Let me print that also. Only then you can find out. System.out.println, and here I am printing A. Save Java C space filename .java. See what I got? 10. Now why not 10.0? Because now you converted this result into data type by the help of type conversion. Okay. The third we have is Sqrt. What it is? Cube root. As you can see here, returns the cube root of a double value, and here the return type is also double. So let us see that as well. I am changing this to Sqrt, and here I am writing 27. Similarly, this one Sqrt minus 8, and here again the same thing. So Sqrt, and here I am writing 64. Okay. So let us try what is happening. Compiled output. The first output is 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So cube root is 3. For minus 8, as I said, the possible value, because it is cube root, so the negative value is possible. So we are getting minus 2.0 as it is again double. And for the last 64, we are getting 4 only. Why? Because it is being converted into data type. So I hope these are the three methods what I have explained in the class, the live class, and here also I have explained with the example and by the output also showing on the screen directly. So I hope it is clear to you all. Okay, and for the remaining methods, as after every live class, I will prepare a video so that whatever confusion was there during the live class, that can be cleared during the during this video while you are watching. So I hope it will be helpful for you. Please write down the notes or the examples which I have given in the video if you want any explanation from you. Okay. So thank you so much.